7 Things a dog can know about you. Dogs are very smart creatures, and cannot be deceived for a long time by misleading signals or actions, believe it or not. Dogs have the sixth sense when it comes to understanding the actions of human beings' feelings, as they can distinguish between happy and sad faces. This sense is what helps them understand humans easily and makes dogs the closest and most loyal friends of man. In addition, recent research and studies have revealed that dogs are able to help detect and identify some diseases that their owners may suffer from. There are 7 things you can't believe your dog can feel. 1. Grief sadness. When you're sad, your own dog can feel this right away. In a 2016 study published in the Journal of the Royal Society of Biology, it turns out that dogs can recognize human feelings through different visual and auditory signals. The dog can feel when you are sad even if you try to behave normally in front of it or your friends, and when your dog feels your sadness, it can lose interest in playing and refrain from eating. The dog may also come and lie next to its owner, on his head or in his lap, sad for its friend, and in case of crying, the dog may lick its owner. Another study in 2012, also published in the Journal of Animal and Perception, that a dog tends to approach a person when he cries more than they tend to approach when they speak. 2. Detection of diseases. Dogs have the ability to feel sicknesses. With about 220 million smell receptors, dogs can smell things much more than humans. Dogs can detect several diseases, including cancer, and can extract a variety of cancers, including skin, breast and bladder cancer. A 2006 study published in the journal Integrative Cancer Treatment found that trained dogs were able to detect 88% breast cancer, 99% lung cancer using breath samples, and also identify volatile organic compounds for prostate cancer in urine samples with 98% accuracy. Low blood sugar changes volatile organic compounds, which can be smelled by dogs. This usually occurs in people taking diabetes medications. Accordingly, a 2016 study in the Journal of Diabetes Care published that dogs could detect isoprene, a common natural chemical found in the human breath which increases during a low blood sugar period. Dogs can also feel brain disorders that affect sleep ability and control using sweat samples, and there is also growing evidence that dogs can detect the onset of migraines. 3. Pregnancy. Your loyal friend can feel pregnancy. And certainly women dog owners have noticed changes in the behavior of their dogs during pregnancy, and some women reported that dogs start accompanying their pregnant owners everywhere they go for fear about them, and from time to time it may be noticed that the dog smells the pregnant mother belly and puts its head on it. In addition, having a dog during pregnancy is beneficial to women, as pregnant women who have dogs have been more active in walking than women who do not have dogs. 4. Earthquakes. Dogs can feel the next earthquakes before they actually happen, and this has nothing to do with anything supernatural. It's the powerful hearing power that helps them feel the next natural disaster. Dogs can hear the movement of underground rocks that occur before earthquakes, and begin to howl a lot before the earthquake happens. If you live in an earthquake-prone area and your dog starts doing strange things, don't ignore this sudden change in behavior and be wary of upcoming natural disasters. 5. Hostility between human beings. Dogs can feel when you don't like others, as many chemicals are released from the body in response to thoughts of irritability and hatred. Dogs can feel these chemicals. Dogs can, also, observe evidence of hatred from your body language, gestures, and the way you communicate with the other person. Dogs have a tendency to provide additional protection to their owners if they see other people as a threat. 6. Fear and tension. A dog can immediately feel that its owner is scared or nervous, even if he shows no signs of doing so, as dogs can smell the hormones released by the body when it responds to difficult situations, including adrenaline and cortisol accordingly. This loyal friend may start showing protection towards you in order to reduce your fear, and will probably go to your rescue if it has been given the chance to. 7. Your intentions. Dogs follow your gaze to get a reading about what you're thinking, so they can feel your intentions correctly. For example, dogs may start looking for a place to hide before bath time. This can happen even before you open water or even touch its towel. Similarly, dogs can feel when you're taking them to the vet, and may stare anxiously out of the car window. Mentioning some reassuring words and gentle encouragement can help your dog cope with these unpleasant experiences.